Hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Be all through. Listen to Rebel. I'll make love to you like you want me to. And I guess that's just the woman in you. Meow. I know I can't help myself. You're all in the world to me. Just Maxine, look at her. It feels like the second time. Aki! Get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much ground. Got game by the pound. Get ready. You did. Meow. The rest is still girls are taking me out for my birthday, and I don't know where they're taking me because I think we're lost. Where have we been? We're not lost. I know where we're going. Okay, so first they took me to a car wash. She started crying. And she started crying. And I started crying. And then they took me to Up To You Cafe. And now where are we?
We're at the U.S. Grand Hotel.
This is the U.S. Grand. Hello, 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 hello.
Hi.
Hi.
We're at Seaport.
Yes.
Oh, look at this lovely view.
It's just machine boats.
Carry me. No. No.
We're on the merry-go-round. Kirsten Janelle.
Kid again. I haven't ridden one since I was like 5.
I know, dude. That's what he said. Gosh. It's getting faster.
I think I'm so excited right now. I feel like I'm so happy.
Hello. Hi. You can see. 39, 40. 40. We're going to the top of the yacht. Whoa, you feel that? I felt that. Oh my gosh. We're at the top of the yacht hotel. And there's the pool. No. Stop.
We're going down, going down, going down. Okay, we're at the. Oh!
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. And sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It's about how fast I get there. It's about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. You know the world can see us in a way that's different than who we are. Creating space between us till we're separate hearts. But your faith, it gives me strength to believe we're breaking free, soaring,
Flying, there's not a star in heaven that we can reach.
if we're trying.
Yeah, we're breaking free.
Oh, we're breaking free.
So, now we're at Tapex. Look at them. best friend. My other best friends.
Hey! What? What is it?
You'll accomplish more later if you have a little fun this weekend.
Hey! Slow down? Slow down? Slow down? What? Can you slow down to yourself?
We're at Justin's house right now. We just barged in because we had
Look,
Justin. Just tell everyone on YouTube.
Get out of my house!
It's my
You
birthday.
invited us here.
I know.
Lord,
Not when you said.
hey!
Not when you said.
He's getting cozy.
Get out!
The same
I
exact
know.
picture.
Happy birthday to you.
You have to pull up though. You have to pull up.
Why are you making me happy birthday to you? Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday, girl.
Yes.
Kisses.
This is.